In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best electric chainsaws available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the electric chainsaws mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Yofidra 12-inch Brushless Electric Chainsaw. The Yofidra 12-inch Brushless Electric Chainsaw is a powerful and efficient cutting tool compatible with Makita 18V Li-ion batteries. Featuring an LED digital display for easy monitoring, it offers a high-performance brushless motor for fast and precise cutting. The quick adjustment mechanism ensures hassle-free maintenance. Lightweight and versatile, it's ideal for woodworking, garden pruning, and home projects. Its durable design and strong power make it a great choice for professionals and DIYers alike. Number 4, NEWBENY 12-inch Brushless Electric Chainsaw. The NEWBENY 12-inch Brushless Electric Chainsaw is a cordless, rechargeable cutting tool designed for efficiency and convenience. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, it delivers powerful performance for woodworking and garden pruning. Its brushless motor ensures high efficiency, reduced noise, and a longer lifespan. The ergonomic design makes handling easy, while the sharp chain provides smooth cutting. Whether for home or professional use, this chainsaw is a reliable choice for precise and effortless woodcutting tasks. Number 3, 12-inch Cordless Brushless Chainsaw. This 12-inch cordless brushless chainsaw offers excellent power and cutting efficiency. Designed to fit Makita 18V batteries, it features a high-speed brushless motor for smooth operation and reduced maintenance. Its lightweight and ergonomic design make it easy to handle, ensuring effortless cutting for woodworking, pruning, and garden maintenance. The durable chain and sharp teeth allow for deep, precise cuts. Whether for DIY projects or professional tasks, this electric chainsaw provides outstanding performance and convenience. Number 2, VVOSAI 20V Cordless Brushless 6-inch Chainsaw. The VVOSAI 20V Cordless Brushless Chainsaw is a compact yet powerful tool for DIYers and professionals. Featuring CE certification for safety and reliability, it offers a lightweight and portable design, making it easy to carry and operate. The fast-charging battery ensures quick power restoration, while the brushless motor enhances efficiency and reduces noise. Ideal for pruning, woodworking, and small cutting tasks, this chainsaw delivers smooth and precise cuts with minimal effort, making it a must-have tool. Number 1, 6000W Brushless Cordless Chainsaw for Makita battery. Designed for commercial woodworking, the 6000W Brushless Cordless Chainsaw is a high-powered tool for demanding tasks. Featuring a durable, sharp, and wear-resistant chain, it ensures smooth and precise cutting. With a cutting diameter of up to 60 centimeters, it's perfect for heavy-duty applications. The brushless motor provides stable power and long-lasting performance. Low noise, high precision, and deep quenching technology make this chainsaw an excellent choice for professionals who require efficiency, accuracy, and durability in every cut.